sea with a north wind at 17 to 20. Again, wind gusts as high as 28 miles per hour tomorrow. We're looking at new snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches, bringing our total storm total to 5 to 9 inches. And tomorrow night, we have some more snow likely maybe before 1 o'clock Monday morning. Otherwise, it's going to be cloudy with lows in the 20s and new snow accumulations tomorrow night of less than an inch possible. Another chance of snow for Monday with mostly cloudy skies, highs in the low to mid 30s with
Right.
Have a great night.
Thank you. I'm gonna wait till I get.
Ooh, that one's having a horrible time.
Yeah. You better get somewhere.